everyone, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name is Shandy. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and give this video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy these types of videos. And just go ahead and do it now so you don't forget to at the end. So today we are going to do a sit down first impressions with the new Too Faced Pumpkin Spice eyeshadow palette, which retails for $49. And then I have the BH Cosmetics eyeshadow brushes, which these said they were new as well online. But I got the eyeshadow brushes because I've never tried anything from this brand before, and these brushes just look like something that I would like. And I just want to try them out anyways and see if they blend very nicely and if they are, you know, soft. So let's go ahead and open up the eyeshadow, because I'm sure that's why you all clicked on my video. So the packaging is really nice. Okay, sorry for the movement. My dog is hitting the table. But anyways, the packaging seems really nice, really sturdy. It's really cute. Kind of like, I guess, a pumpkin pie, because, you know, the pumpkin and then like the Cool Whip on top of it. That's what it reminds me of, and I'm guessing that's what they were going for. Or like, oh wait, this is the crust. So in my camera this looks white, but whenever you actually look at it this way, it's more of like the crust around the pumpkin pie. So maybe the word pumpkin is white because that's the Cool Whip. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see. There are 18 eyeshadows in here. It says they are also scented. So let's go ahead and open it up. Looks like that. I mean, I guess there's a little bit of a scent to it, but not really. I mean, kind of a spice, but not really. So the only thing that I'm noticing right away, I guess, is I didn't really look at the shadows online. I more so purchased it because, you know, we're transitioning from summer into fall, and I figured with it being pumpkin that it would be like a lot of warm colors in here, a lot of browns, a lot of like oranges, because, you know, pumpkin is more like that orangish brown. And I honestly don't really see any oranges in here. The only one I see is the one that says pumpkin spice right there. So I wish they did have like a shimmery orange in here. I mean, there are quite a few browns, but like I wasn't expecting, I guess, like the purple and like this lighter blue, because that just doesn't really seem fall to me, I guess, in a way. So let me go ahead and open up the eyeshadow brushes now. Package came a little damaged, but that's fine. So it says it has a tapered shadow brush, a flat shader brush, a small detail shader brush, a fluffy blending brush, a small blending brush, a domed pencil brush, and an angled liner brush. And if you hear like any talking in the background, that's just my daughter. She's here with me. Okay, I don't know why they put these in here. So let's go ahead and open up the eyeshadow brushes. And I tend to only use these brushes with this eyeshadow just because I want to see, you know, how both of them work. Okay, so then again, they're each individually wrapped. So my thing is, yeah, they are actually really, really soft. And they seem like they would blend really easily. So they're like this rose gold, pink, reddish color, if you can see. It looks really pretty anyway. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open all of these up, and then I'm gonna zoom you guys in, and then we can go ahead and get started on the eyeshadow. Okay, so I have you guys zoomed in pretty close so you can see the eyes up here. I will go ahead and say that I did, when I did my makeup, I put concealer on my eyelids, and then I did set that just so we have a nice base to work with. You can do primer, whatever you want. I just wanted to go ahead and set it. So the first color that I'm going to go into is going to be Love You a Latte, which is the shade right here. And I'm going to be using this brush right here. They are numbered in case you are wondering, so I'll just say the numbers I'm going to use for the brush. This is number 5. So with this shade here, I'm going to put it into my crease. It's very, very pigmented. Like, can you see that? I don't know. Like, wow, that is super, super pigmented. Like, I wasn't expecting that much. So whenever you do dip into the pan, just be very gentle because you are going to get a lot of shade down. Yeah, I was not expecting that at all. Like, that is really good. But again, definitely going to have to work on some blending here. So for now, I'm just going to kind of set that down and go ahead and do my other eye. Okay, so I'm going to pick up number 4 because it's a little bit larger and fluffier, just to kind of blend a little bit more. So I haven't even looked to see if there's any fallout yet, so I'm just going to... There's a little bit, but not much for like how pigmented that is. Alright, so I think it's good enough for now. Okay, so the next shade that I want to go into here is going to be the Ginger Spice. It's that like orangey shade. Like, it's kind of looks red on camera, but like this is like a lighter, like a mustard in a way, like a mustard orange. And then this is more orange, so I'm going to go into the Ginger Spice. And I'm going to take the number 6 brush here. Okay, and a very one tap. Just one little bitty tap. And I'm going to put that right on that outer corner. So again, this shade is also very, very pigmented. Do keep that in mind. They are very, very pigmented. So I'm just going to go back with that number 5 brush. No like excess dipped product on it. Just to blend that crease a little bit with that shade. So it should look like that. Hi, Emma. Okay, so the next shade that I want to go into is going to be Cocoa Drizzle. And this is like more of just a brown. Now for this shade here, Emma, please quit moving everything. Thank you. Okay, so for the Cocoa Drizzle, I'm going to take the number 3 brush. Dip in there, and for this one, I'm going to go directly into the crease and not bring it up. Just because I want it to be a little bit deeper. Okay, so if you've watched my videos before, you know that I love a shimmer just on the eyelid itself. You can just do a matte, whatever you want. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with Fall Vibes, which is like this green shade right here. And I'm going to take this flat brush, number 2 brush. And let's just see how pigmented it is. Okay, so for Fall Vibes, I'm really having to dip into it to get it to show up on my brush. So now I'm just going to put that on my lid. I'm gonna have to dip in again. Okay, so with the fall vibes, you do have to like dip and reapply just to get it to build, to show up, to cover that lid. Otherwise, you're gonna still really be able to see through it. So do keep that in mind. So now what I'm gonna do is go back into that ginger spice and just kind of blend those two shades together on that outer part. Okay, so it should look like that. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna take that Cocoa Drizzle, that brown shade, and put that on my lower lash line. So I'm just gonna use that same brush because they don't really have a smaller brush than this in the collection. Okay, so I was looking to see if I have like a dark brown eyeliner to put on top, but I don't. So I'm just gonna top it off with my It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara on my top and my lower lashes. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the eyes once they were completed. So here they are. I really do like the eyeshadow palette. I feel like you definitely get your money's worth for $49. They are very, very pigmented. I mean, you saw it right off. These shades are very pigmented, but they blend really, really easy. So that is a good thing. However, the only thing that you do have to work with are the glitters in here, but I mean, that's typical. Glitters are a lot harder to put down. That's why usually like I put down glitter glue, but I didn't just because this is a first impressions video and I wanted to know how it works without it, and that way I could also share it with you guys as well. And these brushes I really like. They are very, very soft, and I mean, they blend really good. Another thing I wanted to just go ahead and quickly share with you guys, it's not new, but it's new to me, is my lips right now. It's the NYX Professional Makeup Filler Instant, and it's in Beach Casual. Super, super cute packaging. So I purchased this because it was marked down like half off or something. It was really affordable, so I thought, okay, well, that looks like a fall color and I will go ahead and try it. But this is very creamy, like right when I put it on, it's super creamy, and I really like that. So I mean, it definitely like keeps your lips hydrated. So that's what I have on my lips. And then if you are wondering, my bodysuit here and this cardigan, I have a a try-on haul with H&M, and that's where these came from. So if you are curious, go ahead and click that link and watch it. I got a lot of things for like $2, $4, $7. It was very affordable. Like I believe this bodysuit, or no, this cardigan was like $3 or $4, so that's very affordable. So again, just go ahead and click the link. That's the H&M try-on haul, and that's everything, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe below, and I will see you guys in one of my next videos. Bye.